просто трэш. Мы все так перепугались. У нас снесло всю лаунж-зону, ее строят заново, снесло всю.
In early February, the shooting of the second season of the popular show on CNT, Stars in Africa, started in South Africa. However, last night, natural disasters made their adjustments. A sudden hurricane hit almost completely destroyed the show venue and the participants' housing, which jeopardized further filming. Powerful gusts of wind with heavy rain tore off awnings, felled trees and fences. As a result, the lounge area where the stars spent time between tests, as well as their kitchen, was completely destroyed. The incident has already been commented on by Olga Buzova, host of Stars in Africa. According to her, one of the most powerful tornadoes hit the hot continent. Roughly it began at 16 p.m. in the midst of filming. It was one of the most creepy and scary days of my life. As a result, the camp was completely destroyed, cameras, wires, decorations were destroyed. New canopies, cameras and other necessary items have already been delivered from Europe. According to Buzova, the filming of the show will not stop. Most of all, the natural disaster scared the 20-year-old participant in Stars in Africa,
снесло
Carnival.
всю лаунж-зону, ее строят
The
заново,
could not
снесло
resist and
всю.
spoke about her impressions.
Все, нас уходят, нас уводят. Тут реально апокалипсис творится.